Hello everyone. Today we'll see HGU IPTV service configuration. Let's log in to the web page using default credentials. Open side menu by clicking Advanced Settings. Click the VLAN menu for VLAN management. Start creating VLANs by clicking Create button. Enter Start VLAN and End VLAN and then click Apply. In front of VLAN entry, click Setting, click Port Default VLAN, tag the port and then click Apply. Let's now start creating a new line profile. Click the Add button, enter the profile name, let the system decide profile ID. Configure the T count, set appropriate DBA profile, and finally configure the gem port and gem mapping. Set all parameters and map the VLAN ID. Click Apply to commit changes. For auto discovery and auto binding, click on management and then on setting. Set authentication type to auto, bind line profile and service profile. Set auto discovery enabled and then click apply. We can now make sure the ONU auto authentication in ONU table. Everything is fine till now. Let's now configure auto virtual port. Select all PON ports, gem port, service VLAN and set tag transform as transparent. Service port for both ONUs are automatically configured now. Let's now configure WAN connection. We intended to configure LAN 2 as a bridge of VLAN 103. Let's enable the VLAN, enter the VLAN ID, tag the port, and click apply. Thanks for watching.